Well, dear students, today I am going to discuss about the narration. Actually, we should understand at first what is narration. Narration is a mode of expression in which we express the saying of somebody, saying of someone, either in our own words or in the same way as it has been told. Finally, we conclude a narration is a mode of expression in which we express the saying of somebody in our own way or in the same way as it has been told. On this basis, it has been divided into two parts: direct narration and indirect narration. Direct narration or direct speech is that in which we express the saying of somebody in the same way as it has been told. And in indirect narration, we express the statement of somebody in our own way, in our own words. That is called indirect narration. And there are some certain rules to change a narration from direct to indirect. Actually, in the direct narration, there are two parts. The statement is in between the inverted comma, and the other part is outside the inverted comma. The part which is outside the inverted comma, that is called reporting verb. The part which is outside the inverted comma, that is called reporting verb, and the part which is inside the inverted comma, that is called reported speech. When we change direct to indirect, there may be several changes regarding tense and other things, regarding person. That depends upon the situation, which I shall discuss in the next episode. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you liked it, just share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day once again.